Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a Colombian, Open Colombian with a rollover. Now, knowing how to do an Open Colombian would be really helpful. Some experience with things like Archies and the Wringer would be good. So I'll put links to those in the description below so it's nice and easy for you to find them. And again, because this is a Colombian move, it can be any length. So first off, let's show you the move. It goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. Back, in, twist, step behind, in front, roll over, behind, in front, return, and back. Obviously you could make it as long as you wanted to. Ours was limited by how big the frame is, basically. So let's break it down together. I'll start from this side because I think that's going to be most helpful to you. So we go back to 2 hands, we come in, we bring both hands up, guys' thumbs, ladies' thumb gap, so standard Open Colombian. We twist out, so it's like a 2-handed first move. We come step square, we go behind. We're going to use the second behind to do the rollover. You could do it on any step behind. So we come through, get in front. The rollover basically means that we come square. As we go behind, the right hand's coming up, the left hand's coming through the middle. So we're going through back to back. Effectively, we come square, the hands come back into position, we go behind, and we're going to use the next behind. So we go in front, next behind becomes a return, releasing with the right hand to finish everything off. Let's do that to account together. The only thing you need to remember is that the rollover takes the same number of counts as square behind. So effectively what happens is you go, instead of going square behind, you go roll over and then follow it with a square behind. So there's no interruption to your normal timing. So let's try it together. 5, 6, Open Colombian with rollover. It's a back, in, twist, step behind, in front, roll over, behind, in front, return, and back. And that is that. Adds yet another thing you can play with in addition to your standard set of Colombians. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. Notification bell if you have notifications turned on when you get told every time a new video comes out. And a music recommendation will come up in one of the windows in the last few seconds of the video, which is a nice tune to do this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.